Hello friend, in today's video I will share that how can we practice English just by saying and just by speaking simple sentences, simple words. We don't have to speak so many difficult and complex words. Just we have to speak in English, so we can use simple sentences. Like I will share that how can we speak English just by using simple words, simple sentences. Like I will share my daily routine, how I follow my daily routine and what is my daily routine. So let's start the video. So friend, I will share that from morning to evening what I do. So I get up early in the morning at 3 am. Then after I get up from the bed, then I open my door and go to balcony and walk for 10 minutes in fresh air, and I take some exercise like for 20 minutes. Then after I memorize shlokas. So I will share that how I memorize shloka. So if you would like to hear shloka, then I'm going to share this shloka. I read Bhagavad Gita in the morning and I remember shloka and memorize shloka daily. So I'm going to share some shloka, like 5 shloka I will share with you. Chapter 1, Bhagavad Gita. Lord, in Bhagavad Gita, Dhritarashtra said, Dhritarashtra vacha dharam kshetre kurukshetre samvetayu tasvah mamka pandavascheva kim kurvata sanjaya. Bhagavad Gita chapter 1 and shloka 2. Drishtva tu pandavanikam yudham duryodhanastada आचार्य उपसंगम्य राजा वचनम अब्रुवीत. नेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट नंबर 3. पश्येतां पांडुपुत्राणाम आचार्य महतीं च मूं व्यूढ़ां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येन धीमता. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल 4th श्लोका. अत्र शूरा महेश्वशा भीमा अर्जुन समायुधि योधान विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथा. एंड द 5th वन इज दृष्टकेतु चेकितान काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान पुरोजित कुंती भोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुंगो. I can tell more shloka, but I will not tell all the shloka because I am just giving example that what I do in my daily routine. So in the morning I memorize shloka because just by remembering shloka and memorizing shloka, your mind becomes very sharp. Okay, so and it also the part of spirituality, so we should remember shloka, but I do this in the morning. This is my daily routine. Okay, then after at 4:30 minutes I chant. Okay, you can say meditation. I do meditation in the morning for 10 to 20 minutes. Then after, okay, I get fresh. So we can say that what is the process of freshing? We can say that I enter in my bathroom. Then after I take the paste and brush and then brush my teeth. Then after I clean my tongue and wash my mouth. I'm not going to tell in deeply, but we can say that we take bath, okay, and apply soap on my body. Then after dry my body with towel. Then after I come out from the bathroom and dress myself. Okay, dress myself. You can say I iron my clothes. Then after I dress myself, I apply oil on my hair and the body. Then after I go to teach the students in the morning at 6 am. Okay, so before 6 am I have to ready. And I go to tuition classes. I go to teach the students in the morning at 6 to 8 am. So this is my daily routine. But there are so many things to tell here. But I'm going to tell that how can we speak English just by using simple sentences, simple words. Because you should not have to make this very complex. We can use simple terms. Okay, so we should not be hesitant that I'm not able to speak, then how can I speak English? So just don't make this very complex thing. Okay, so just use simple words, simple sentences like this. You can speak English. Just I'm speaking in front of you. Okay, I know that while speaking there are so many difficulties, and when people face first time cameras and they start speaking, sometimes they stop, they speak, they stop, they speak. Okay, but don't fear from this, just keep on doing, just keep on doing. Okay, I started posting videos on YouTube, and I took a challenge that for 90 days challenge, that I will speak English daily at least 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, therefore you can say that daily I am posting one video, and this is my routine, and I will follow this for 90 days. So you can support, so that and like the video, so that I can get motivated by just liking a video, and I will follow this routine for 90 days. And please pray for me that this routine should not be break, and I will not break this routine. Okay, so thank you so much friends for watching the video. If you got some benefit from this video, and if you have any queries, and if you want to take help, so you can comment in the comment box. I will surely reply. So thank you so much for watching the video. I will see in the next video.